Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I explained how we can test push-pull drive for any power supply, for any circuit which have two transistors, two MOSFETs, two IGBTs, whatsoever. I received comment from my viewer. He said that there is a certain distance between the reference line of the oscilloscope and the signal. He express the time. At this time he have this observation. At this 9 minutes 2 second time, he said this signal is slightly upside. So let's see it practically. I connected a reference point to the secondary ground and this point at pin number 11 and this at 8 number pin number 8, pin number 11. We are receiving these pulses. The question from my viewer that why it is, let me take some ballpoint here, why this pulse is upside. We can say this is reference line. Why this signal is above than this limit? When it is taking sample, it took sample from this point to this point, a wide sample. But on the screen it is showing a small portion of that sample from here to here. But it stored sample from here to here. We can navigate left, right. This is the end of the sample. If we navigate to left side, this is the first starting pulse. If I align to this line, why it is above than this line? Now I will enlarge the signal to see the wave shape of one signal. Now we can see basically this sample is starting from zero line, the same this line. But when it is showing multiple signals, at that time in the display it is not showing this lower side pulse. We can see when it is collapsing, it will show this peak with this signal. It will collapse and it will become as a one signal. Every signal is touching to zero line, but in the display it is showing some time above than the zero line. Let's see just only one signal. Now we can see clearly some signals are touching to zero line and some signals are being displayed slightly above than this line. All signals have same amplitude. These are touching to this zero line, because when oscilloscope plots any signal on this graph, on this grid scale, it will start from its zero line. It will depend on the signal width, how much wide signal is there. If this peak is very narrow peak, so most of the time it will take average value for this signal and sometime it will display signal from here. So that is the reason we are seeing signal above than zero line. Just only stop it and we can see some signals are touching to zero line. When we will enlarge the signal, at that time every signal is touching to this zero line. But if we see this peak is very narrow peak, the wide signal that is starting from this point to above. Every signal has same amplitude. Otherwise signal is starting from zero line. This is zero line marker for channel A. Now it is very clear display for the signal. When we will close the screen to display multiple signals, at that time sometime it will skip that narrow peaks. Otherwise the signal will start from its zero marker line. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.